Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. Have you ever tried Smarties chocolates? Well, you're in for a treat because they are delicious. So these are a Canadian candy, and I did grow up in Canada, so these treats are really nostalgic for me. They bring me back to my childhood, but even as an adult, I still love to indulge every now and then. Let me show you what they look like. So this box contains 10 mini boxes, and they're such a fun size. You can give them to your children without any fear that they're going to be indulging in too much sugar. So every little box contains about 10 Smarties. They are peanut free, so you can feel safe sending them to school with your children. So these little chocolate treats are so delicious. They're a thin candy shell coated by chocolate. They're so delicious. I love to eat them on their own, but they're really good if you use them in baking and cookies, in brownies. They are absolutely delicious. So if you haven't tried Smarties, this is your chance. Go ahead and try them. You're gonna be in love with them. They don't taste like any other chocolate candy on the market. They have their own unique taste, very chocolatey, very delicious. You're not gonna regret getting them, and that's my point of view.